Uniting through challenges, understanding brothers in struggle. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that carries a lot of emotion and solidarity: brothers in struggle. This expression is rich in meaning and is used to convey deep connections formed through shared hardships. It's a beautiful example of how language can encapsulate the human experience, and we're here to explore its layers. Whether you're learning English or just love delving into phrases that paint a picture of life's complexities, this video is for you. Brothers in struggle is a phrase that goes beyond the literal meaning of its words. Here, brothers doesn't just refer to male siblings. Instead, it symbolizes a bond between individuals who might not be related by blood but are connected through shared experiences or challenges. The word struggle indicates a fight, hardship, or a series of obstacles that these individuals face together. This phrase is often used to describe comrades, friends, or even strangers who support one another through difficult times. This expression can be found in various contexts, such as social movements, personal challenges, or collective hardships. It's a powerful way to express solidarity and empathy among people fighting for a cause, dealing with similar life challenges, or supporting each other in personal growth or recovery. For instance, it might be used among activists advocating for social change, among soldiers in a battlefield scenario, or among individuals overcoming personal adversities together. The phrase underscores the idea that there is strength in unity and shared experiences. At the heart of Brothers in Struggle lies the theme of solidarity. This concept is vital in many cultures and communities around the world. Solidarity involves unity or agreement of feeling or action, especially among individuals with a common interest, mutual support within a group. By referring to each other as brothers, individuals affirm their commitment to stand by one another, emphasizing the strength found in collective resilience and support. Let's consider a few examples where this phrase might come to life. Volunteers working together in disaster relief efforts, facing the hardships of recovery side by side. Athletes training for a competition, enduring the rigors of preparation together. Members of a community advocating for environmental protection, facing opposition but persevering together. In each of these scenarios, the individuals involved become brothers through their shared commitment and struggle, highlighting the phrase's relevance across different spheres of life. The phrase, brothers in struggle, is a poignant reminder of the human capacity for empathy, solidarity, and resilience. It celebrates the bonds formed through shared experiences and challenges, emphasizing that we are stronger together. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate the depth and beauty of English expressions and their ability to convey complex human emotions and relationships. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey, and we look forward to uncovering more insights together in our future videos.